and that is the unfortunate part, and also the real opportunity gap.
Okay.
So that is that whatever
What is the reason behind investing 1350 crores in that group?
of meetings, MICE, what you call it, events, conferences. We have events almost every week in every sector. We have like delegates, people coming in from all over the world, thanks to the base what is there. So what we are meeting is majorly the local demand and the infrastructure needs on the side of retail, hospitality, commercial office spaces, which is not there at this point. You're right. So it's mainly focusing on the infrastructure needs, which is not met in Ludhiana, on across sectors of retail, hospitality, places like banqueting, like we're sitting. For example, you would not have this over there. So these are really needs which are really there, but there's nobody meeting them.
Okay.
Right. So that's what we're looking at, and 1350 is not a number from a perspective of just a number. We already have defined projects which we intend to work, and they're across 3 to 4, majorly in Ludhiana and some other parts of Punjab.
Other investor and developers are, running behind the luxury segment completely. But why to invest in mid-luxury segment?
See, in terms of like residential space, I see a huge opportunity. It's an unmet demand. There would be 10 projects. There is a huge demand of homes below 2 crores, right? And there's a huge aspiration. The middle income group has a huge aspiration, and they're willing to pay. They're far more committed, by the way. Those clients are far more committed, to invest in a credible place.
Thank you so much.